camera.
He's pulling line.
Now bring it up. That's it. Nice and easy.
If it's a tuna, we're eating it now.
Huh?
If it's a tuna, we're eating it now. Yeah, just sit in this fighting chair. Oh,
Reel down, reel down.
If this is epic, we got this on camera.
Keep that rod tip up. That's it. We got color yet? That's it, reel down.
What the hell?
Slow and then reel down.
Pulling line up
He's
again.
running line again.
That's a striper.
Could be.
Don't lose the rod.
Now you just hit the clicker. Should be a fucking boot. Watch your rod.
It's.
Yeah, but the thing
I know.
is
All
flying
right, I
around.
see that now.
You want me to start it up and back it down?
Maybe it's a marlin.
You got the, I don't know, but there's a big fucking freighter coming.
Better land that fish.
I think he's pulling more line than I'm actually.
All right. Sometimes you have to pass them off, you know, if you get tired.
Well, if you want to fight this fish, take the pull.
I want you to catch this fish. Your arm's shaking?
Yep. That's awesome.
This fish is giving you a run for your money?
This is the fish of a lifetime, Uncle Buck. If it's the doormat that wins the pool, do we all get to share?
Ooh.
Good thing you got your fish registry.
He's not he doesn't subscribe. I do though. Where'd you get the fish, Steve? On my boat. We got color yet?
I don't know. I can't see. Should be closer.
With the harpoon?
The gaff. Get the gaff.
Where they usually make another run.
What the French?
Easy. Stand up. What's that? Alright, we better get a bigger boat. It's a shark.
Is it really?
Yeah. Wait, it looks like he's a big one.
Get your gun.
Bang stick, man.
Jesus.
You know what it is? He's all wrapped up around.
Oh.
That's the biggest one I've ever seen. Yo. You're choking him, man.